Mojito is the drink of the moment, but here at Tommy Bahama Restaurants, we have a sophisticated alternative to your traditional mojito. Hi, I'm Gretchen Keneally with Tommy Bahama Restaurants, and today I'm going to show you how to make our Millionaire's Mojito. First, we start off with none other than our Tommy Bahama White Sand Rum. Very important step, we're going to put 5 mint leaves in here. Now this is a muddler. This helps to release that mint flavor without breaking up the mint too much. You don't want to have too many little pieces of mint in there. Squeeze of lime here. This is a half a lime. Put a little bit more ice in. And a tad bit of simple syrup. This is going to sweeten it up without adding much in the way of calories. Shake 20 times as we do with every good martini here at Tommy Bahama. And strain this out. Now don't worry if it looks like we come up a little bit short here. The final step is a little bit of soda water. Now it's important to add this at the very end. If you try and add it before you shake it, your drink will go everywhere. So you want to add that as just a finishing touch. And then of course, our little mint leaf for a sophisticated Millionaire's Mojito here at Tommy Bahama Restaurants.